Pick up some basic jute placemats at a craft or decor store. Sew two placemats together using an upholstery needle and jute twine. Hand sew a simple over-under stitch around the perimeter of the placemats, but pause about 2/3 of the way through. Stuff polyfill stuffing in between the two placemats to whatever thickness you want. Then continue sewing the remaining space with the jute twine and tie off with a knot at the end. You can stop here with a beautiful textured pillow, or you can take it a step further. Make 8 to 10 pom-poms using a pom-pom maker in a color or colors of your choice. Using the upholstery needle and yarn, sew the pom-poms at different points around the perimeter of the pillow. Style your jute pom-pom pillow on a sofa or chair and collect the compliments. Now for a 60-second break for our sponsor of today's video. When I retired from teaching after 34 years, I wondered, what is my next chapter? I started a home decorating blog and needed to learn what it takes to break into the creative industry. Skillshare has helped me to do just that. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers an opportunity to learn in a new way. One of my favorite classes is this DIY wall art class. I have never considered myself an artist, but this class changed my mind. As I explored my inner creative, I was further inspired to learn about how to take my new blogging career to the next level with YouTube. This Skillshare class with Ali Abdal gave me all the confidence, guidance, and direction I needed. By the time I finished all the lessons in this class, I had my YouTube channel up and running. Once a class is completed, you can even submit a project and earn a certificate. I'm starting small, but I know that no goal is too small. The first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Join now. Grab a basic Lazy Susan, I thrifted mine, and spray paint it black. Use some hot glue in the center of a jute placemat and attach it to the top of the Lazy Susan. Once attached, continue to glue the underside of the placemat to the Lazy Susan, working your way from the center to the edge. Use as a serving trivet at a dining table, or place plants on top, turning the Lazy Susan so each plant gets the best light. Or even style as a cool coffee station in your kitchen. Clean up an old planter pot and give it a makeover. Fold the bottom of a jute placemat under and glue it so it is secure. Do the same for 2 more placemats and then glue the placemats together on the sides. Wrap the connected placemats around the planter pot and glue the ends together where they connect. Your plants will love this new textured planter pot. I hope this inspired you to take some basic jute placemats and create unique home decor with style and texture. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you next time.